Every time you hook up a trailer or throw a heavy load in the bed, your F-150 rear end squats. Headlights blind oncoming traffic, and steering gets vague right when you need it most. Airbag suspension fixes all three problems at once. 5 options built for the F-150 right here, and every link is in the description. Jumping in at number 5, the maXpeedingrods kit brings up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling capability, with multiply natural rubber construction at 4.5 to 5 mm thickness for serious durability. Adjustable from 5 to 100 psi, pre-drilled design means zero frame drilling, and labeled parts make the install genuinely straightforward. Does not fit Raptor, FX2, or trucks with in-bed hitches. Solid entry-level option that punches above its price point. Number 4. The Torx kit stands alone on this list, with one spec nobody else can match. 7,500 pounds of load capacity, which is significantly higher than every other option here. Internal jounce bumper prevents abrupt bottoming out under full compression, bolt-on installation with zero drilling, and a complete hardware package with valves, fittings, and tubing included. If you're regularly pushing serious weight on your F-150, this load rating changes the conversation entirely. At number 3, the RETRUE kit delivers 5,000 pounds of load leveling with pre-drilled mounting holes and a pressure range of 5 to 100 pounds per square inch for precise front-to-rear and side-to-side balance. Worth noting, certain trims including XLT, FX4, STX, and Lariat may require minor mounting hole adjustment due to vehicle configuration variations. Does not fit Raptor, CCD-equipped models, or trucks with self-leveling headlights. Dedicated customer support team available throughout install and beyond. Number 2, the Airlift LoadLifter 5000 brings the brand's most trusted heavy-duty kit to the F-150 platform. Up to 5,000 pounds of leveling capacity, fully adjustable from 5 to 100 pounds per square inch. Installs between existing springs and the frame without drilling. Internal jounce bumper absorbs shock and prevents bottoming out when running unloaded. Eliminates sag, sway, and squat in one bolt-on upgrade. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty and the exclusive 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee that no budget brand can offer. The Firestone Ride-Rite takes the top spot the same way it always does, through decades of proven engineering that nobody else in this space can replicate. Convoluted air springs that can be individually adjusted for off-center loads, commercial-grade steel plates with rolled crimp design, and performance built on expertise from millions of commercial vehicle miles. 1 to 2 hour install, no drilling, everything included in the box. Note, requires 8 inches of frame to tire clearance and does not fit Raptor, self-leveling headlight models, or scale option trucks. When you want the original and the best, Firestone is the answer. 5 airbag kits, 1 F-150, and a rear suspension that finally handles what you throw at it. From budget bolt-ons to the highest load rating on the market, this list covers every towing and hauling scenario. All links are in the description. Go level that truck out. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More F-150 content is on the way.